Have a nice day to all my friends. I will tell you today on my video how to check a resistor. There are two types of resistors here. One type of color code method. The other type is numbered. This video will see how to test from digital multimeter. Select the range of ohms. First we get this resistor. This is 33 kilo ohm resistor. Let's check this. You can see value of this. A little can be changed by consensus value. This is good because you saw the specified value. Let's take another one. This is 22 kilo ohm resistor. Let's check this. The value of this is the right one. Next we will see a numbered one. This is 10 ohm resistor. Let's check this. So this is value is correct. If the resistor value is correct, it can be good. But if resistor is unusual, it is unsuitable for use. If there is no value, it is not good resistor. So if you check in a circuit, want to see a pin one side. Another would like to tell you one. It is not good to take both fingers when examining. So we see the wrong value if it is. So this way we can examine resistor. We will get back from next video. Thank you all.